3. Go. Again.
My pet. Do you want to go again?
Again.
No. Me, go.
Again. What's she trying to do?
Stand on her head.
Alright, come here. You want to stand on your head?
You want to sing us a song?
Again.
Again?
You want to throw or you want to stand on your head?
No.
I think she wants to throw it again.
Alright. 3.
No.
Oh, you want this one?
God, that didn't look good.
Again.
3. Oh, you want this? Okay. Again?
She tried to do it herself.
You want me to do it for you? Again?